What's up, guys? My name is McCall, and I am this week is vlog week, so I'm going to vlog my field trip. I'm here at this place. It is really pretty, really scary. I can just imagine walking along that line. Just imagine walking along there. That would be awesome, scary, terrifying, and the perfect place to commit suicide. Not giving any ideas.
You're recording.
Look who I run into! A wild African boy!
Did you just record me?
Yes. I'm recording everybody.
No.
Hashtag awesomeness. We're leaving. We're leaving.
Get out of the water. We're trying to swim.
Oh man.
It is not a river to swim.
So basically we're just enjoying the view of nature, enjoying the world, enjoying life. Still trying to get the hang of this vlogging in public. Beautiful trail. Doing Pilates.
Maybe you're right.
He caught me recording him. This line is walking so slow. I walked along that path earlier. I tried recording it, but the video cut off so many times, and I couldn't record it, and they told me to get off. So, that sucks. Look at that bridge. So yeah, right now we're in Vermillion, Ohio. Not where I live, but we're here. And look at this freaking dirt road. Just enjoy the sights of nature. Ohio Water Trail, 27 miles. Just imagine living on. Just imagine living on the wild. Wild nature.
You just smacked me like, oh, jeez.
It is so hot. I swear it is freaking so hot outside. I brought like sweats in case like it gets dark and like mosquitoes come out and attack me. Oh, I'm sweating. But you know, it's freaking too hot to be wearing sweats. Or for anything. It's just so freaking hot outside. I tried my first roasted hot dog. It was slightly burnt. But oh well. Yeah, we are supposed to be building a shelter, what they said we were. I built a fire for once. For the first time, actually. I actually built a fire. Collected wood and everything. Did everything you needed to build a fire. I'm just recording all of this. This is what happens in Ohio. Jesus Christ. Oh God. Oh my God. I ship them. I ship it. They're always together. We're like best friends. So clearly he has a crush on her. I ship it.
That video on the bus with the kid.
This is what happens when you enter the world of Ohio. He doesn't even know I'm recording him. Jesus. This is the city of Ohio, Lorraine. Look how pretty this is. It's already been like 4 minutes and you've already seen the ghetto-ness of my neighborhood. Oh well, that's what YouTube is about. Showing a bunch of grinding, humping, twerking videos of guys, not even females, guys Just, are you serious? He almost caught me recording him. I really want to listen to music, but they always like, oh, no headphones. Jesus. Jesus Christ. Why is she laughing so much? Oh my God. I see bikes over there.
Alright, I'll go! We need some guys that are not scared of slugs to come and grab this stuff. Take it to the bus and everybody else, let's go!
Oh, finally. Okay, so it's over, and I'm actually glad. We finally get to go home, so I'm going to go now. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.